How's it going, everyone? It is Reversal Trader King, where I try to catch you guys the most precise bottoms in the stock market, and I have an interesting ticker I want to talk about, and that is LUNR, LUNR, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how I catch these precise bottoms, where I would buy, and where I'm looking at, like the sell targets, where this could potentially go to, and all that good stuff for the people who are in this position or looking to get into this position, and just to give you kind of like my insights on this trade. And also, guys, before I get right into the video, I do have a premium Discord that is only $6 a month that I give out my high value trade alerts and with my entries and exits all in that package for only $6. And I'm going to show you exactly why it's so good, and I'll put that link into the comment section below. But keep that in mind. Let me show you guys the system first if you guys would like to join. The system right here has 3 unique bands. These bands are going to show me extreme oversold territory and extreme overextended. The red is overextended, oversold is green, and blue band is where price will correct to. We don't know when, but it will eventually correct to it, and I have recorded lots of stocks on when that does, and the longest I've seen it not get there is like a month to 2 months. Alright, so let's get back into the video. So we're at a price of right now at 7.32, and as you can see, when it hits the red band, when the wick gets above it, it always sells off. It's just selling off rapidly. So it hits this above this band, and it sells off and goes down a little. It wants to touch the blue band, but it just hovers over it, and then it pumps up. This is what you want to see for an uptrend. You want to see that blue band curl up. You want to see a back test, and then curl back up. You want to see, because it's not going to stay above this red band forever. If it does, it's going to be the biggest pump and dump. So you see the retest here, goes down, and then look, we make a new higher high, and then obviously with the wick goes above this, it sells off. You do not personally, in my personal opinion, you kind of want to get on the next lower low, or a higher low, I mean, not lower low, because then that would not be an uptrend. So this right here is your lower low. You want to see this retest be probably around somewhere in this area. You don't want to see it break this. If this is the area that gets broke, then that should probably be your stop loss, in my honest opinion. So let's look at some buy signals. Now that we looked at some sells, I want to show you guys the reverse on this. As you can see, when price hits this green band, buyers come in and we pump it up near the blue band. I like to take profit like there. I do not wait till exactly at the blue band. If I make a good gain, why not take it? You are making, you can always find another trade, rinse, repeat, 10 to 20% gains, 10 to 20%. Every, those are nice gains. You can just keep rinsing and repeating. And I'm going to show you guys the biggest spike. I do not think it's ever going to go here. And my reason why is I've seen this all the time with these IPOs where the initial launch is always the biggest move. It's either big down or big up. And you're going to get this massive explosive move up, and this is just all out of the ordinary, and you can see when it goes way above, this sell-off loses all of its gains, and we touch the blue band, and we decide to know where to go from there. So even with this big sell-off, this attracted so much people, and just eyeing the stock, and then it just went down, retest the blue band, because I told you it has to. The market moves in waves. It goes up, down, up, down, up. That blue band is your correction or reversion to the mean. So you go up, down, up. It's like an ocean, up, down. That's how this stock market works. Here was your buy signal up. And we just haven't really seen relatively close to a buy signal. You get close right in here, but then you get a pump. You get kind of close, and then here's the big pump. So now, guys, where do we see this going? Where should we buy? And we have all these questions. We have this massive... obviously this is going based on a news type play, and everyone's, hype about it and all that. Let me see if they released anything recent. Yeah, so everyone's basing on that. Obviously this is, but you got to have a backup plan. If you go into a trade, you got to know your exit plan. Me personally, it's not my type a bottom reversal style. I want to look for plays like this that are more conservative and give you those nice, consistent, profitable gains and making money every month. You want to be profitable every month. I've been in the market for over 6 years. I've been doing this strategy like this, and it's been making me nice, consistent profits. I back tested this. As you can see, it works to a T. When the price gets overextended, we sell off. we sell off right here. So using a basic technical analysis, you want the lower low right in here. You want to be near the blue band if you were going to look to enter and do not have FOMO, because you do not want to honestly buy up in this area because the price will go down. We do know that. Yes, it could go up and from here, but you got to look at risk versus reward. No one knows what the future is, but we can predict at certain points what are some good buy signals, right? You do want to see this uptrend hold, right? This is kind of what we're looking at, right? This is really what we're using basic things that all retail traders have, right? Um, I would be looking, like I said, somewhere in this area. If you just had to get in and you only want to risk what you're willing to lose, that's what I'd be looking for, is a retest of a lower low. Yeah, that's the reversal strategy. Obviously, guys, you kind of got the Fitbit, but also what I want to let you notice in on too is the KDJ. When I noticed this was a nice buy area, as you can see, this KDJ is a unique indicator that I have used a lot, and it's been very nice. And as you can see, lower the K at 3.68, that is coordinated with a nice buy, and that's why the price has to pump 11%, 7%. It just keeps pumping, making you a nice solid return. It's like pulling a rubber band. What is that rubber band is going to do is break, and that's what happens. You cannot do this, and that's the same thing with the upside. When price goes up, it cannot hold too far up on this red band. You want a healthy correction. That's what you want, guys. If you guys want to know my favorite trades, how do I look to get in, my precise entries, and honestly have a setup video that goes in more in depth on how to trade like a pro and finding reversal patterns and finding oversold, or if you want to short or buy puts, I have a premium Discord that I discussed. It's only $6. It has that setup video that goes in more in depth. I don't have the time to go over everything. There's a lot of niches and knickknacks and like a lot of unique situations that you got to know how to do. So I haven't made a video that goes over all that. Trade alerts is going to look like this. You can see how professional it is. I give you guys exactly my limit orders with my entries, and I'll give you exactly my exits when I plan to get out, and that's before I get in and out. This all right here is only worth a package of $6, and I am going to change the price after 500 members. We're getting close to that, but $6 a month, and you get to see all these educations and me mentoring every day in the channel, and I will go over any trades that you want, but that is how we're looking to get in. I find reversals because I want to do, my main thing is I do not want to back hold, so I want low risk but high reward types of plays, and the plays I'm looking for is at these green bands right in here to make me solid, consistent gains, because there's always a trade that is getting triggered by my buy alert. So yeah, I hope you guys like this LUNR video. If you did want to join the Discord, I highly recommend it. It's the cheapest price you'll probably ever find, because I want all account sizes to be able to trade, not just a $10,000 account, $500 account can trade this, a $100 account, because it's so cheap on the premium price. I'm going to put the link down below into the YouTube comments, and I'm going to pin it, and I'm going to say join the premium Discord for the best trades. And these are the best trades in the market to make you high, consistent gains. You can ask anybody in the comments here. A lot of people have been on 100% win ratio if you follow exactly what I'd say, and that is life-changing, because if I do this full-time, and you can do it full-time too, because I'm giving you guys exactly how I trade, and you can, take it how it is, copy me, it doesn't matter. Take what you like, take what you don't like, and that's how trading works, right? Also, if you guys are in LUNR and you just want to share exactly, why you like it, what's your average share price, any type of that, you can put in the comment section. I will review it. But that stuff like that helps the algorithm of YouTube. Share it to other retail traders, and because any type of engagement triggers the algorithm to share it. Any likes, subscribe if you like to do that. That will help a lot. But I do like to know there's a lot of hype in LUNR. I hope the bulls win this. I love it to see it when traders make money. But I also wanted to make this video to have a realistic viewpoint of what I'm seeing as a chart analysis. And yes, I get it. News can make the charts, not matter. I do understand that. I totally get that. But I just wanted to make this video to help others, people looking to get in, that are in, and how I approach reversal trading and how I make consistent money in the market with this strategy. Hope you guys learned a lot, and if you watched till the end, I will see you in the Discord, and let's make some money together. Peace out, guys.